About to go check up on this project that we just finished yesterday, not too long ago. We just finished amazing project over there. Now we're right across the street. Let's go check it out.
Flashback. Moments later.
The place is not such a muddy mess for us anymore. You get a little more stone in there. Start to bring it up to height. Got our gas lines in for our fire pit right there. That little thing. Grill over there. Making some progress, Bobby.
Later.
It's a bit tight here, but started laying some patio. Looking pretty good. Work on some drains today. Some more drains in, get some base up the height so we can lay some more and go to town.
Next morning. One minute, 37 seconds later. The next day.
Had to do it to him in pink too. Woo. Got going on here, Greg?
Get a quote. Did you get the quote?
A cluster beep 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 is what we got going on here. Trying to wrap this puppy up. This guy, wondering where he's at. Your desk is empty today.
Snuck out to get some fresh air with one of my favorite guys here today.
Got some shade. At least they got the shade. Can't beat that. Poor Berto's over there in the sun.
Many minutes later.
Like me? If you do, please say